Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Mazda 6 Atenza sedan, stock reference number 5261. This shape runs from the 11th month 2012 through to the 2nd month 2018. It has a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, right boot lid garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has one small dent, right power door mirror, and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, command controls, heater controls, touchscreen display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.